I'm Polly Bath, and I travel around the country helping schools to manage and intervene with difficult behavior, basically that behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer a question coming out of a high school population. The question is, how do we get high school students to treat paraprofessionals with respect? I hate to see kids using abusive language and saying things like, "You're not even my teacher." I've seen this a lot. And there is one thing that we have to start doing right from day one. First of all, collaborate. All of us are educators, bus drivers, lunch people, people in the front office, paraprofessionals, teachers, specialists. We are all in this together. We have to send our kids a very strong message that one does not have more power than the other, especially with paraprofessionals who are in those classrooms and those hallways with you every single day. From the first day of school on, the introduction to those kids are, we are your teachers. We are your teachers. And I have conversations with my paraprofessionals all the time where I say, listen, don't always spend your time just sitting in the back of the classroom waiting for something to happen. It means we have to get better at co-teaching because kids will very quickly get the message that they only have to listen to one person. So it's not okay for them to get that message. Collaborate, co-teach, engage with each other, get more comfortable with that versus kids seeing you as the person who only kind of chimes in when they're acting out, or when it's time for an assignment, they get to go and work with you. Be part of the system. We as teachers have to get better at making sure we introduce you and hold that line, and then we as paraprofessionals have to get better at feeling confident in what we know we have good skills at, and that's helping kids learn. Thanks for watching today. If you have comments about this subject, you can put those down below. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in a future video, put that down below as well.